everyone, hope you're all doing well and safe. This is Suriya Ramesh. Welcome to my channel Scratch with Suriya. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use Scratch Online Editor. So the URL for the Scratch website is https://scratch.mit.edu. First thing, you have to go to a web browser. In a new tab, type scratch.mit.edu, then hit enter. Then you will get this Scratch website. If you are new here, you have to create an account. So to create an account, click on this join Scratch in the right side. Then you will be asking few informations to create an account. So create your username and create a password, then click on next. Then you have to select your country, where do you live in, then click on next. And then you have to type your birth month and year here, then click on next. And then here you have to select your gender, then click on next. And then finally you have to type your email here and then click on create your account. So once you clicked on create an account button, then you will reach this page. This is a welcome to Scratch page. So then you can click on get started. So once you clicked on the get started button, here in this website you can see your username at the right side, and to see the Scratch Online Editor, click on this create button on the left side. So this is the block-based interface of Scratch. Here you will do the coding, and all the projects that you are doing here will be saved to your account. You need an internet connection and then a web browser. Here we are using Google Chrome as a web browser. That's it. In this way you can use this Scratch Online Editor to create your projects. So that is all about online Scratch Editor. So if you are new here, please be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to learn and enjoy more. Thank you.